Hello students. So today we will do second exercise in GK. Children, do you know that India is the seventh largest and second most populous country in the world? It has over 1.2 billion people. So today we will learn about the land and people related with our India. So let's move. Look at the first one. In which part of Asia is India situated? Northern part, southern part or eastern part. So our India is situated in southern part of Asia. Clear? Now look the next one. Udgam Mandalam is a famous hill station in Nilgiri Hills. In which state of India is it situated? Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu? So it is situated in Tamil Nadu. Now third one, Chota Nagpur Plateau is famous for mineral wealth, fertile soil or cattle wealth. So it is famous for fertile soil. Have a look on the board. Now look the next one. Kanchenjunga, the second highest mountain peak in India, is situated in which state? Uttarakhand, West Bengal or Sikkim? So it is situated in Sikkim. Fifth one, in South Bihar, the part of the peninsular plateau that lies to the north of the Vindhya ranges is called the Malwa Plateau, Peninsular Plateau or Chota Nagpur Plateau. So the answer is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now have a look on the board. Now look the next one. The northern plains of India stretches across the Himalayas and the Purvanchal Hills, Peninsular Plateau or Patka Hills. So the answer is Peninsular Plateau. Look the seventh one. Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is located in Karnataka, Bihar or Haryana. So Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is located in Haryana. Eighth one. Who was the founder of Gupta dynasty? Samudragupta, Chandragupta or Kumargupta? So Chandragupta was the founder of Gupta dynasty. Have a look on the board. Now look the ninth one. Kalinga is the old name of Delhi, Mumbai, Odisha. So Kalinga is the old name of Odisha. Next one. Who founded Brahmo Samaj to purge the society of all its evil practices? Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayanand or Raja Ram Mohan Roy? So here your answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Now look the next one. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee, A.O. Hume or Mahatma Gandhi? So A.O. Hume was the founder of Indian National Congress. Have a look on the board, class. Children, do you know who was the first Home Minister of India? Look. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel was the first Home Minister of India. So this was a description about the land and people of our country. Here your chapter 2 in GK is over. Do your work in your book. If you don't have book, No need to worry. Do work in notebook and send me your homework. Till then, goodbye.